Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. This morning we are out here for Speedology's Gears and Gifts rally. We are over here at Foreign Cars Italia in Greensboro and waiting for other cars to show up and then leave here probably 2 hours to go down to a vineyard in Gold Hill. But right now, got a pretty cool lineup. Got GTR, Porsche, and then a R8 as well. A beautiful M5 right here. And then this sick drift car. And yeah, also huge shout out to Tamsen for inviting us out here. And he's going to be in the truck. Maybe or may not be dressed as Santa. Currently in here at Foreign Cars Italia, and as I mentioned, there is a Ferrari Monza SP1, which we will go up and check in a minute. But down here on the floor, a couple of cool cars: GT500 Trek Pack, Lotus Emira, always love these cars. Acura NSX, probably the most underappreciated supercar in my opinion. Got a couple Maseratis, beautiful G-Body Cabrio, 993 Cabrio back there. More Porsches, E90 M3. And then we also got this sick looking 3RS Visoc Urus Performante. And then it's all Ferrari back here. And I see a Daytona SP3. So, yeah, let's see what's back over here. Got a couple 430 Spiders, 488, 458, 296 F8. We got a Roma Spider. Never actually seen one of these before. Looks very pretty actually. And we got 812 GTS. Actually seen this car down at Carson Cappuccino. So good to see this thing again. 296. We got a Pearl Sangue. And look at this Daytona SP3. Only the second one I've ever seen. And this one finished in a beautiful matte white. That is glorious. Now we are up here at the loft. Beautiful yellow SF90. Out of California. I don't see those too often, but probably for good reason. 296. And the absolute beauty that is this Ferrari Monza SP1. I've seen an SP2, and ironically enough, got family up here, and we saw them, or we saw this car outside just driving by one time, but getting to see this thing up close, it's actually really cool. With that little side pod cover for the passenger seat. And, I mean, it's a beautiful color as well. Yes, that'd be great. It's beautiful. But also here, yellow 296. Got a white Roma, then a 488 GT3 car, or GTD Pro. Really, really cool. You can tell this thing's been raced. Really cool to get up and close with one of these, especially since the only Ferrari cars I've seen have been on track. And just casually a 911R. Pretty sure this is the first one I've seen up close, and it is sick. So if you don't know what this is, it's basically the GT3 Touring before there was a GT3 Touring, because in the 991.1 generation GT cars, there was never a manual, and this is the only way that you could get the 6-speed manual. But this basically funded the manual for the 991.2 GT3 and GT3 Touring. So really, really cool story behind this car. Really beautiful. Yeah.
So very much for partnering with us, for all of your donations. These gifts will go a long way in our foundation We, last year, we were able to help over 300 children provide Christmas presents for their wish list in the foster care family, in the foster care system. This is children that most of them have been placed out of traumatic experiences, so they don't have the normal life that we all have every day. And so just having a Christmas present on Christmas morning means so much to them. And so this year we've also extended out to the Western Carolina families, foster families, because of all of the traumatic experience that they've had through the hurricane. So we're hoping to help so many more children this year, and this is going to go so far with that, and we appreciate everything. And if you want more information, please let me know. I'm happy to share that with you. We are located in Clemens, but we do service throughout the state, and not just at Christmas, but all throughout the year. So we do appreciate all the help that you've given.
We go. He should be fine. He's in the Ferrari Pure Sangway on his way to get his real sled. So I'm sure he'll be fine. We'll let him go. But on his way, he wanted to come by Foreign Cars Italian and see what we have right here in the showroom and what we have on the lot. We have all kinds of cool stuff here. What do you think?
I think you absolutely do. Why is Santa running?
We need to get him that.
It's time to roll out. We got the truck back there, Julia Quadrifoglio, GTR, RA, another GTR, Hero Sangway leading the pack. As well, we got the M5 and the E36 drift car back over here. Really cool. Got all these DeLux stickers. Now I'm 99% sure that this is my ride for the rally. Underway. Tamsen, thank you for inviting us out.
Absolutely. I think we're having a blast so far. Everyone is behaving, and we've got our film crew. So I cannot believe this is the inaugural Gears and Gifts Holiday Rally. So we had 11 cars leave from Foreign Cars Italia of Greensboro, and we have 19, possibly 20, leaving from Foreign Cars Charlotte. So we're going to all convene at the Morgan Ridge Vineyard. We're going to have a private tour. For those of drinking age, we're going to have some wine sampling. We've got a catered lunch. I think this is a challenge that Racing Santa brought up, that we would have the most toys donated from the Greensboro location. I think we did. So we're going to compare notes when we get to the vineyard and see what the Charlotte crew brought, but I'm very confident that the Greensboro crew, representing Winston, Greensboro, High Point, Danville, and Raleigh, and Clemens, and Kannapolis and Concord, are absolutely going to just wipe the floor with what Charlotte brings. So it's healthy competition, it's fun competition, and it's all for a good cause. So if you haven't seen my posts about Tiffany Birdsong and the Fostering Faith Foundation, you've got to look them up. You've got to go support them. They help little boys and little girls of all ages that are in the foster care system, and right now it's a really tough holiday for them because most of these children have come from traumatic situations, and the holiday gifts that we're going to be able to provide, whether it's Legos, it's Play-Doh, it's Slinkies, it's RC cars, it's Barbie dolls, this is what we're going to be able to do to raise their spirits. So again, I can't thank everyone enough. NOS Energy, Haggerty, Steve Sudler, Foreign Cars Italia, Greensboro and Charlotte, Tour DeLux, Speedology, Road and Rally app. We've got some other videographers and photographers here, including EJ. So just thank you guys so much. God bless, and I hope everyone has a very Merry Christmas.
Subject of rallies, we got this RA in front of us, and behind us the Drift E36, which will be coming on the Holiday Horsepower Rally in about 2 weeks, December 15th, we're going to be meeting up. There's 5 locations.
We have 5 locations. We have Haynes Mall in Winston-Salem. We have East Ridge Mall in Gastonia. We have 704 Exotics, and we have All of Us Roofing in Hickory. The 5th point is going to be our final destination, which is the Grove Cartel Brewery with Jason and Holly. They are working with Shop with a Cop and the Nazareth Children's Home of China Grove, where we're going to have donations of monetary value, and each participant's going to bring a wrapped gift for a boy and a girl, and we're going to give those away before Christmas. So we've got 5 launch points. We're expecting about 100 participants. Again, everyone has to register. So on the Facebook event page, the official Facebook event page, Holiday Horsepower, there's a link. You've got to register if you're a driver and or a passenger. That way we have everyone's information and we know what launch point you're going to come from. But Latif Designs, 704 Exotics, The Warehouse, All of Us Roofing, Speedology. We've got some other videographers and photographers like EJ coming with us. So Sunday, December 15th, go on Facebook, check out the event page, pick your launch point, register, and let me, Tamsen from Speedology, know where you're going to be and your information, and we'll confirm your spot. So we're on a rally, and we will see you on another rally here in a couple of weeks. So drive safe, and let's have some fun. A really quick shout out and thank you to Steve Sudler, Foreign Cars Italia, Greensboro, and Charlotte for partnering with us to support the Fostering Faith Foundation. The Greensboro crew brought it. We have so many toys to give for boys and girls that are in the foster care network that we are just so appreciative. So Steve Sudler, Foreign Cars Italia, Charlotte, Greensboro, Tour DeLux, Speedology, NOS Energy, Morgan Ridge, all of our videographers and photographers, and the Road and Rally app. Thank you guys, and we will see you at our final destination. So drive safe and have some fun out there.
These back roads are like shit. Look at the elevation.
Hold on.
Poor dad back there in the TRX.
He's holding his own though. I'm proud of him.
Yeah. I hope he has it in sport mode because he's just going to jostle everything everywhere.
Oh no, yeah, for sure. So, I mean, we're not going to keep up with any of the Ferraris or our twin turbo R8, but you know, the GTR's holding their own. So, yeah, Steve from Foreign Cars Italia, man, I'm gonna tell you what.
He is moving.
I want to be like him when I grow up. Look at the elevation.
And we haven't even touched the driving modes. We don't even know what mode
We don't even know what mode we're in. We're just having a good time. This is awesome. We got the Honda CR-V.
Yeah, even the CR-V is keeping up.
Yeah. Oh, I think
But yeah, they're all the way up there.
They're not that far away. Come on, give me some credit. They're not that far away.
Hey, if we wanted to hold our own, we could.
We could.
700 horsepower.
I know, right? We're having a good time, though. It's all for a good reason.
Mm-hmm. We're over here. There's Jamil on the corner. It's like we just caught the other rally. And there's the vineyard all the way down there.
We literally got here at the same time. How epic is that? Tour DeLux and Speedology have got something going on. We are cooking. I like this.
I think we made pretty good time, huh?
We made great time. We made amazing time. This is insane. I love it.
Just look at all that. You got a Viper, Beamer. That's sick. There's another TRX.
Is it?
Same color.
Hey, buddy.
What up? How's it going?
Hey.
He's wearing the beard. And there's a twin down there. Got the whole lineup. Everyone we cruise with except for the Portofino. And then we've got all the rest of the rally that came
Anyway, they
up
all
from
reverse into their park.
Charlotte. A couple really nice cars.
Ooh, nice.
We cruised up.
So we all have fun and then we
It's
all
awesome
go
to see just how many people are here for this rally, all for a good cause. the other rally. Some really sick cars. R32, C8, 50, BRZ, R35. Got Sanders, another Portofino, Dan. We got a AMG GTS, and then 2 R8s. I believe that's actually the R8 that was at Fly High Expo.
So I'm gonna burn my kids and turn.
And then we got the twin TRX down there. Different wheels though. But otherwise, another AMG GTS, Hummer SUV, and Viper. Probably my personal favorite, honestly. Well, it looks like it's about time for people to start leaving. Don't know exactly what we're gonna do. But we got a truck there, and we got the M5 here. You can't even see it. It's so dark.
Yeah, no, it's so fun.
But this thing is a freaking beast. Pretty sure this car's for sale at 704 Exotics. Got about 707 horsepower. So if you want an M5 comp and you're in the Charlotte area, come stop by because this thing is awesome. Beautiful GTR. I've seen this thing before, but really cool. Built with a twin turbo setup still. Normally you see single turbos on them just for high or upper end power, but really cool to see a twin turbo build.
There's a bunch of fire dams. I tried to make it.
Alright everyone, well that's going to be it for today's video. Huge thank you to Tamsen for inviting us out on this rally. It was super fun. First rally for both of us, and we just got to hang around with some amazing people. So mega shout out, and also to DeLux Rally, thank you for putting this on and like co-host. But really fun. Hopefully we can get on more rallies in the future. And as you've probably seen plenty of times in this video, we got another one coming up December 15th for Holiday Horsepower, going up to Grove Cartel in China Grove. So stay tuned for that, and if you can, make sure you go sign up on Facebook and show out, bring a toy, help support a good cause. Anyways, thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Ciao.